Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome, student. Today's topic is the force, okay? And in force, we will discuss contact force, okay? There's a two type of force. One is contact force, contact, and one is non-contact. Non-contact force means non-contact force, okay? Contact force. Non-contact force just like gravitational force, magnetic force, okay? Electrostatic force. These are the non-contact force, okay? But contact force, in this chapter we will discuss, in this video we will discuss the contact force, okay? And this is in our syllabus. Clear? Now, force that two bodies in contact forces that two bodies in contact, okay, the two bodies in contact apply on each other are called contact force. We apply contact force when we push or pull or lift things around us. When this is the object, okay, if you want to push this object, then this and this comes in contact. Of if we apply to pull this object, then the two bodies will contact. Or this is the object, if you want to, if this person want to lift this object from here to here, okay, so the two bodies, this one and this one, comes in contact, okay. So when push, we need to push, we need to pull, or we need to lift, the two body makes contact and contact force is used here, okay. Now sometime we apply a contact force on something without touching it directly. For example, this is a car, okay, this is a car or van, any van. So if you want to move this car, first we push with our hand, okay, with hand, that is direct contact. But sometimes the children tied the thread or a string with the car or van, then they pull this car with the help of the string or wire, okay. So this is also contact but not directly, okay. So this kind of force in a string, okay, that force is called tension force, okay. Tension, the force in string or wire or thin rod or thread or rope, string, wire, thin rod, thread or rope, okay, that force is called tension force. Clear? Tension force acts along the rope from which, okay. Now one of the kind of force, contact force, is frictional force. What do you mean by frictional force? Frictional force, very very important. In this chapter we will discuss the frictional force. Now, what is frictional force? Frictional force, frictional force. Now I am giving one example. This is a coin, okay, 1 rupees coin, okay, and just rotate this coin or flick it. You will notice that the coin is rotating gradually, but after some time the speed of the coin decreases, and the time come the coin is at rest. Okay, with the help of force we can flick the coin start moving, rotating, and after some time the flicking of the coin decreases gradually, and the time comes that the coin will stop at rest. Now we have discussed in the previous class, to stop a moving object we need a force. So which force is acts to stop this coin? That is a frictional force. Okay, that is a frictional force. Now take another example. A batsman, okay, hit with his bat, the ball is moving, this is a boundary, okay, the ball is moving, and here the speed is maximum. At that point speed is maximum, but here the just about touching the ground the ball will stop, and from here to here the speed of the ball decreases. Okay, decreases. Okay, we know that to decrease the speed or to stop a moving object we need a force, but here we are not watching any force acts on it, but still there is the ball will stop. It means that some forces acts on this ball to decrease the speed, okay, and to stop the moving object. That force is called frictional force. So where is that frictional force? This is the ball is moving in that direction, and the ball is on the ground, okay, the ground opposing the motion, that surface, okay, this is the object and the surface opposing the motion, that is always in opposite direction, that is the surface applying the force, that is called the frictional force. So the definition of the frictional force is the force that oppose the motion, or tends to oppose, tendency of motion between two surface that are contact to each other, okay. The opposing the motion, friction force, what is the main function of the friction force is oppose the motion, and it is always acts is in opposite direction. The ball is moving in that direction on the ground, okay. So look at this object, this is the object, and this is another object, that is the ground surface. The ball is moving in this direction, frictional force will act in that directions, okay, opposite directions, okay, always. So friction force is a opposing force. Hope you have understood. Opposing force which applied by the surface of contact. This is the surface applied, surface oppose the motion of the ball. Okay, hope you have understood the frictional force.